Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. And not just any drones, we've got two mini marvels battling it out in the skies. On my left, we have the Heygelo S90 drone, and on my right, the TOMZON A23 mini drone. Let's see which one flies higher and which one crashes and burns. Ready? Let's get started. First up, camera quality. The Heygelo S90 comes with a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. That's right, folks, you can capture all your aerial adventures in high definition. Perfect for those Instagram posts where you pretend you're a professional drone pilot. Reviewers love the camera quality, noting that it's perfect for beginners looking to explore drone photography. On the other hand, the TOMZON A23 said, "Who needs a camera when you've got LED lights?" If you're looking to capture breathtaking footage, you might want to steer clear of the A23. But hey, it's great for playing hide and seek with your dog at night. Next, let's talk about flight stability. The Heygelo S90 boasts some serious stability with its altitude hold function. It's like the Zen master of drones, hovering peacefully in the sky while you snap those perfect shots. Plus, it has multiple flight modes that make it feel like you're a drone stunt pilot. Reviewers appreciate its stability and ease of control. The TOMZON A23, on the other hand, is like that kid who just had too much sugar. It's got 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's fun, it's chaotic, and it's perfect for driving your cat absolutely bonkers. But don't expect it to hover peacefully like the Heygelo S90. Now onto battery life. The Heygelo S90 comes with two modular batteries, giving you a total of 26 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to impress your friends, scare your neighbors, and still have enough juice left to land safely. Reviewers love the extended flight time. The TOMZON A23 gives you 18 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. Not bad, but if you're in the middle of an epic drone stunt show, you might find yourself saying, "Houston, we have a problem," sooner than you'd like. Let's talk durability. The Heygelo S90 comes with propeller guards to protect those delicate blades. It's like the bubble wrap of drones. Plus, it's foldable and portable, so you can take it anywhere without worrying about it getting damaged. Reviewers find it durable and beginner-friendly. The TOMZON A23, though, is like a little tank. Made of tough materials, it can handle a few bumpy landings. And with its propeller guards, it's like it's wearing a helmet all the time. Safe and sound, just like your mom wants you to be. Reviewers appreciate its ability to withstand crashes. Finally, let's talk price. The Heygelo S90 will set you back $59. A bit pricier, but you get what you pay for. Reviewers believe it's a worthy investment for beginners. The TOMZON A23 is a budget-friendly $39. If you're just looking for some fun without breaking the bank, this might be your go-to drone. But remember, you get what you pay for, and in this case, you're paying for LED lights and chaos. Reviewers find it a great value for kids and beginners. Reviewers love the Heygelo S90 for its camera quality, stability, extended battery life, and durability, making it a great choice for beginners. The TOMZON A23, while lacking a camera, is praised for its fun features, durability, and affordability, making it a hit with kids and those looking for a budget-friendly option. So there you have it, folks. If you want high-quality footage, stable flight, and a bit more flight time, go for the Heygelo S90. But if you're looking for a fun, chaotic, and budget-friendly drone, the TOMZON A23 is your new best friend. Either way, you can't go wrong. Unless you crash, then you've definitely gone wrong. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying and remember, always buy smart.